it's Sonia, sweet. Welcome back to the Bell Vlogs, the cutest puppy in town. Before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button, ring that bell, and subscribe to the Bell Vlogs. So today, guys, we're going to be teaching you how to make a DIY marble mash. So if you guys don't know what that is, it's another fidget, shocking.
So voiceover Sophia here. I actually want to say "oh my god" without moving my mouth, but this is what it turned out to be.
It has one, but it's upstairs. So, anyways, so if you don't know what it is, it's basically like some mesh fabric with a marble inside. Very
It's kind of what
name.
it sounds like.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, let's get started.
So what you're gonna need is
some duct tape, some scissors, and some like beads.
we have 2 little beads.
And then you can also, this is optional.
Use a paint marker to decorate it.
Yes, if you like want to decorate it.
But
Okay.
I don't want to decorate.
Yeah, neither do I. Okay. So you're gonna start by taking your
Duct tape.
your duct tape, and you're gonna fold it in half, so it's not sticky on the inside.
Outside.
No, on the inside.
Outside. Or wherever it's sticky. You don't want it sticky.
So you
There
take
you
your duct tape piece,
Duct tape.
and then you fold it in half.
Carefully. And you're gonna want to make 2 of these.
No, you're gonna want to make one of these, but
And do you cut it in half then?
no, you'll see.
I don't know.
Okay. So this is kind of a new craft to Sophia, but it's fine.
Whatever.
So then you fold it in half.
Oh no! This is sticky. Fold it carefully. Can I have the duct tape?
You really want to be careful with it, so it's not like.
There's no stickiness sitting.
And if
on
there
the
is,
outside.
and it's got no bumps too. And if there is stickiness, just like you can cut it off and hold it back.
Can you give me the scissors?
Here.
Just cut it.
Okay. Jeez, okay. So then you make it. So then you fold it in half, and you seal off this bottom end with some more duct tape. You can also use a hot glue gun for this, but we're just using duct tape because, we're just using duct tape.
Okay, I think this is better. This is definitely better.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay.
So obviously you're gonna fold it in half.
And then you seal up the bottom, and then
I think mine's a little long.
it's okay. It's fine.
I'm gonna trim it a little bit.
Okay. So then you just seal this stuff up, and then you can cut off the extra. And then don't seal up the top, only seal up one end. So
the bottom and the side.
Yeah. And so the bottom and the sides.
This is a pretty quick craft.
So we might be able to So this is really quick, and it doesn't take a long time at all. Like if you guys have TikTok, you could do this on TikTok. Sorry, that was random. Can I have some duct tape?
Yeah, give me a sec. Let me just cut this.
And then you can, you only have to tape up one side, sorry. I said you have to tape up 2, you only have to tape up one side.
The bottom and the side.
Yes.
Don't tape up the top though.
Because you have to put your marble in.
Or else it's just a mesh.
No marble, just mash. And you don't even have to use a marble for this.
We're using this little glass bead.
Well, it's not glass, it's kind of
whatever it is,
metal,
it's
but it's fine.
Whatever it is.
Yeah, we don't really know. It came with this little, it came with glass beads, so I'm assuming it's glass, but I don't think it's glass. At least I don't think it's glass. I'm gonna stop talking now.
You're talking the hind leg of a donkey.
Okay. So you do that, and then you can
I don't really want that long of a
marble mash.
I know this thing. So I love ripping duct tape. It's so much fun. So
what?
Ripping duct tape.
And then
It's easy to do.
Well, Sophia's doing that.
And
I'm done making my little pocket pizza pocket pizza. And then so the next step is to take something like a marker or your finger even, and just push it so it makes it big, and so like this. That's kind of cute, actually. Like this.
Oh yeah, it's like
a pen holder.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Tape it loosely. Don't tape it tight.
Don't tape it really tight. Just.
I don't know if America is like a really.
And then so you take something to puff it out with. Like you can use the end of scissors. Just be careful. And then you take your marble or whatever you're using and you pop it in.
Drop it in.
And then you have like. Then you take more tape. Where's the duct tape? Oh, it's right there.
Here, so just use a little piece of this.
Oh, yeah. When we drop stuff on the table, since we have a microphone,
it makes it really.
Yeah. Okay. And then, since you have your, it's kind of stiff, but it's still like
Really fun.
It's kind of hard, but it's still
I
fun.
feel like if you would make the pocket a bit like looser and bigger,
and maybe use a bigger marble. Ours is like, because ours was a bead, it was kind of small, so but it didn't have a hole, so I guess it wasn't. Whatever.
Okay, guys,
Okay.
we'll see you guys next time. Bye.